case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Over a decade ago, a contract dispute unfolded in Virginia where the parent company of Precision Technology USA Inc. negotiated a deal with Power Paragon Inc. The contract, concerning a single motor controller crucial to controlling an aircraft barricade stanchion, came under scrutiny when delivered and installed on a Navy ship. The relatively straightforward deal ushered in a complex legal battle, focusing on the relevance and validity of forum selection clauses. Precision Technology USA Inc. turned the heat up when it sued Power Paragon Inc. for breach of contract and unjust enrichment. The issue heated up when Power Paragon Inc. sought to dismiss the case based on improper venue. Courting a denial, the defendant's motion was rejected by the court. With the product in the Eastern District, and evidence pointing to the defendant's continuous and substantial contacts within the location, the venue seemed a suitable battleground. Not stopping with merely rejecting Power Paragon Inc.'s motion to dismiss, the court signaled its intention to decipher the terms and conditions contained within the disputed contract. Accordingly, the court was tasked with determining the enforceability of the forum selection clause. Upon a close examination of the clause, the court found nothing to suggest that it was unreasonable or invalid. As a result, the court chose to uphold the clause rather than override it. Hence, the case was transferred from the Eastern District to Roanoke Division of the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Virginia to see the light of further proceedings. The case, which put the spotlight on forum selection clauses, underscored the willingness of courts to uphold them unless proving otherwise. Power Paragon Inc.'s unsuccessful bid to quash the case based on improper venue and the subsequent transfer marked an eventful chapter in the often intricate realm of contract disputes.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.